Long ago, in days of childhood, as I close my eyes, I see Mom would read us from the Bible as I sat upon her knee. I recall some special story that I never will forget. They will join me on life's pathway and ensure my life from death. You'll be your life, the one to cling to, since they nailed him to the cross. When darkness falls on your life's evening, he'll take you home and won't get lost. After years, now I've grown older, and I look into the past. Once again, I see this picture that provides my fate at last. Oh, this world of pain and sorrow will be cured and changed a lot if it had more mothers reading from the whole book of God. He'll be your light, the one to cling to, since they nailed him to the cross. When darkness falls on your life evening, he'll take you home and won't get lost. He'll take you home and won't get lost.